Cheesecake Factory fans, I have some good news for you. And no, a Cheesecake Factory isn't opening here in town. I know many of you are looking forward to hopefully that coming here, but you can get something all year round now. The Cheesecake Factory popular brown bread is hitting stores, so you can get it any day at any time that you want. And I know some people are pretty excited about this on Twitter. Someone saying, my prayers have finally been answered. I love this bread and always ask for it anytime I'm there at the Cheesecake Factory. Now, right now, we don't know exactly what stores it will be in or when. The Cheesecake Factory posting this on their Facebook saying, this is how you can get it. We're coming to stores, but stick with them on social media to find out exactly what stores they'll be in. So when we get that information, I'll give it to you and I'll let you know where you can get it right here in town.